What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Bankrupt Bros channel. Today I've got a short but I think really important one because I'm claiming it's a world's first. This is my R32 Skyline and this is a Magsafe charger that I'm attempting to install as both a magnetic phone mount and as a charger. Unfortunately, it's not something you can really do on Androids right now. So this is a normal magnetic strip. I'm recording on an S10, which would normally go on there like that. Now, thanks to the new iPhone 12 having this ring of magnets around here, it's designed to work with the Magsafe charger. So my goal is really simple. I know that this can pick an iPhone up. So why can't it hold an iPhone up vertically? Throw some double stick tape on here, connect it up to this Type-C cigarette lighter charger, and then I should theoretically be able to just slap my iPhone on there and make it work like normal, and it should charge my phone also. So let's see if we can make this happen. Alright guys, key to accessory. Grab our iPhone. Does it work? Of course it does. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty cool. It probably doesn't charge at full speed because I doubt this is at like full speed or whatever, but I don't really care. All I care is that it's mounted and charging wirelessly. The unfortunate thing is that I can't put this in a case because unless you're using a MagSafe case, this probably won't work because there's just too much thickness here in a normal case like this for something like that to work. But that's just awesome to even see. Ready?
No.
Hello, darkness, my old
Alright guys, we're on a quick test drive in the Skyline. As you can see, the mount works as intended. Beautiful. I'm really happy with it. It even survives. Quick little second gear pull there for you. I'm really happy with this thing. And we may be on smooth-ish roads, but as you might be able to tell, this car has very stiff suspension. So if it was going to shake off by now, I would have done it a long time ago. I'm really happy with the way it's worked out so far. Oh, come on, Honda, get out of my way. Alright, I think you can even rotate it. Works good too. So I think it's pretty safe to say the mission's been accomplished. Let's remove it again, show you guys one last time the my Magsafe car charger works.